In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Pixel to your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketer, integrating Facebook Pixel can greatly benefit your online presence by tracking visitor interactions and enhancing your advertising strategy. To begin this process, the first step is to log into your Squarespace account. If you're not already on the login page, navigate to Squarespace, and when prompted, select the login button to access your account. Once you've clicked on Login, choose the option to continue with Google, which is helpful for those of you who prefer the convenience of a single sign-on service. This method allows you to effortlessly integrate services and maintain consistency across multiple platforms. If you're already signed into Google, Squarespace will guide you directly onto your dashboard. Now look for your website listed there. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it to open the site management area. This ensures you're working on the right site, especially if you manage multiple websites under your account. Next, navigate over to the page settings by heading to the Settings tab. You can easily find this within your website's management dashboard. The settings section serves as the control center for many aspects of your site, so feel free to explore other options too when you have the time. Now within the settings, click on Marketing. This tab is essential as it includes various tools and features that help optimize your site's reach and engagement, which brings us to our focus today, Meta Pixel and Ads integration. Inside the marketing section, look for the option labeled Meta Pixel and Ads. Clicking on this will take you to the right location to proceed with your Pixel setup. Here's where you'll add your Meta Pixel ID. If you don't already have this ID, you will need to set it up through Meta Business Manager. Ensure this ID is handy because it's crucial for tracking the interaction data of your website visitors. Once your Meta Pixel ID is ready, simply input it into the designated field. Doing so allows your site to send data back to Meta's systems, which is invaluable for analytics and advertising. The last two steps involve copying and pasting the data link. You'll see an option to copy the link provided within the Meta Pixel setup. This link will be used in Meta Business Manager, specifically in the data feed URL field. By pasting it here, you can generate dynamic product ads through Meta. This final integration can significantly enhance the personalization and performance of your ads, providing more detailed targeting for your business campaigns. And that's it, you've successfully connected Facebook Pixel to your Squarespace website. This simple process opens up a world of possibilities for understanding your audience and expanding your marketing potential. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Happy marketing!